What if I told you that traveling to the past might not be just science fiction? Mathematics allows it. Physics suggests possibilities, but reality, that's the big mystery. Einstein's theory of relativity changed how we see time. It's not a constant. It bends, stretches, and maybe even loops back on itself. One idea, faster than light travel. If we break the light barrier, time might start running in reverse. But there's a problem. Our physics says it's impossible. Another possibility, wormholes. A shortcut through space and maybe time itself. But to hold one open, we'd need exotic matter, something we don't even know exists. Spinning black holes could also create loops in time. Theoretically, if you enter the right way, you might exit in the past. But would you survive the journey? There's another strange idea, cosmic strings. If two of these ancient structures pass close together, time loops might form. But we haven't even proven they exist. Even if time travel to the past were possible, there's a problem. What happens if you change something? Would the universe correct itself or collapse under the paradox? So, can we travel to the past? Mathematically, yes. Theoretically, maybe. But in reality, science still has many mysteries to solve. For now, the past remains just out of reach.